Picture this, two YouTube creators with almost identical view counts. One earns enough to buy a pizza, while the other walks away with enough cash for a brand new gaming console. Same views, completely different paychecks. How is this even possible? Welcome to the wild world of YouTube monetization in 2025, where your earnings aren't just about how many people watch your videos. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on what small channels actually earn in their first months of monetization, and trust me, the numbers might shock you. Before we dive deep into real creator earnings and screenshots, let me ask you this: if you're not monetized yet, what do you think your first YouTube paycheck will be? Drop your guess in the comments. And if you're already earning from YouTube, share your first payout story. It helps other creators set realistic expectations. Now, here's where things get interesting. The secret behind those wildly different paychecks comes down to three little letters that control everything: RPM. Revenue per mil, basically how much YouTube pays you for every 1,000 views. Think of it like gas prices. You could drive the same car the same distance in California versus the UK, but you'll pay completely different amounts at the pump. RPM works exactly the same way. But here's what most creators don't understand: RPM isn't some random number YouTube assigns to your channel. It's influenced by four major factors that can make or break your earnings potential. First up is your niche, and this one's a game changer. Some audiences are simply worth more to advertisers than others. Take finance content. Viewers watching videos about investing, credit cards, or business tools are often ready to spend money right now. They're actively looking for solutions, which means advertisers will pay premium rates to reach them. Meanwhile, entertainment channels might pull in millions of views, but their audience is just watching for fun, not necessarily ready to buy anything. Let me share some real numbers. One creator I found earned just $24 from over 200,000 views because most of their content was YouTube Shorts focused on entertainment. That's roughly 10 cents per 1,000 views. Compare that to a finance creator who earned over $200 from just 22,000 views. That's nearly $10 per 1,000 views. Same platform, completely different earning potential. The second factor is audience location, and this one's huge. If your viewers are primarily from countries with strong economies like the United States, Canada, or Australia, advertisers pay significantly more to reach them. I've seen examples where US views generated over $20 in CPM, while the same number of views from developing countries contributed less than $1. It's not about where you upload from, it's about where your viewers live. Video length is the third crucial factor. Sure, YouTube Shorts can help you grow quickly, but they pay a fraction of what long-form content earns, sometimes 50 to 100 times less. But here's where it gets really interesting. If your video is over 8 minutes long, you can add mid-roll ads. These are additional ad breaks that can dramatically boost your earnings. I'll give you a concrete example. One video under 8 minutes with 840,000 views earned $3,600. Another video that was 9 minutes long with 30,000 fewer views actually earned $750 more, largely thanks to those mid-roll ads. That's the power of strategic video length. The fourth factor is watch time retention. The longer people stay engaged with your content, the more ads YouTube can show them, making your videos more valuable to advertisers. A 6-minute video that keeps viewers watching until the end can actually out-earn a 12-minute video where people click away after the first minute. So where does this leave different types of content? Let me break down the 3 tiers of YouTube earnings. Tier 1 includes entertainment, lifestyle, music, pranks, vlogs, and gaming content. These typically earn between $1 and $3 per 1,000 views. They're the most popular content types, but they pay the least because advertisers struggle to target broad, casual audiences effectively. Tier 2 covers tutorials, productivity, education, and tech reviews, earning $4 to $7 per 1,000 views. This is the sweet spot for many creators because you're targeting people actively trying to learn or solve problems, which advertisers love. Tier 3 is where the magic happens: finance, marketing, real estate, and business content, earning $8 to $12 or more per 1,000 views. These are the VIP sections of YouTube monetization because advertisers in these spaces have big budgets and viewers ready to spend money. But here's the thing: even if you're not in a high-paying niche, you can still boost your RPM. The key is targeting high-value topics within your existing niche. If you're a travel channel, instead of just making general travel vlogs, create content about travel credit cards, budget airlines, or money-saving flight tips. Suddenly, you're attracting viewers interested in financial solutions, and advertisers will pay more to reach them. Understanding what advertisers want is crucial. They're looking for viewers seeking solutions, making decisions, or learning something valuable. If your content helps people solve problems or make informed choices, your RPM will typically be higher. Now, let's talk about realistic expectations for your first YouTube paycheck. Most creators earn around $100 before they can actually cash out through AdSense, but the range varies dramatically. Some channels make $30 in their first month, while others hit several hundred. The amount depends on all those factors we just discussed. But here's what that first paycheck really represents: proof that you've unlocked a system that pays you every single day, even while you sleep. That's the beauty of YouTube monetization. As your channel grows, so does your passive income potential. For small creators looking to maximize earnings, focus on creating longer videos that maintain viewer attention. Not longer for the sake of length, but longer because you're adding genuine value. Test different video lengths to see what your audience prefers, while keeping in mind that more watch time equals more ad opportunities. Target topics that solve specific problems or help viewers make decisions. Even in lower paying niches, you can engineer your content to appeal to higher value advertisers. A gaming channel that focuses on building gaming PCs suddenly becomes attractive to tech advertisers. A cooking channel that covers kitchen gadgets and appliances can tap into retail advertising budgets. The reality is that some small creators with under 10,000 subscribers are earning $300 to $500 monthly from ad revenue alone, while others with similar subscriber counts earn much less. The difference comes down to understanding and optimizing these 4 key factors we've discussed. Remember, your niche doesn't have to limit your earning potential. By creating content that serves viewers looking for solutions and targeting topics that attract higher paying advertisers, you can significantly boost your RPM regardless of your starting point. YouTube monetization in 2025 isn't just about views anymore, it's about creating the right kind of views from the right audience watching the right content. Master that formula, and your YouTube earnings will reflect it. What's your take on these earnings differences? Are you surprised by how much niche and audience location matter? Let me know in the comments, and if you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to subscribe for more insights into YouTube monetization strategies that actually work.